While I wait for the red oxidizer to dry, I thought we'll do a bit of insulation. So I've got my no-nonsense spray adhesive and some insulation. So here I used 150mm thick wall insulation from Wix. Most of the places didn't need any spray adhesive, but in the larger areas I sprayed, waited a couple of seconds and then fixed the insulation to it. Any leftover insulation was used in any tiny holes, and I also used a bit of insulation above the driver's cabin. So as you can see, all of my wall insulation is in. My red oxidized paint is dry, so I'm going to give the floor a sweep, and then I'm going to hammerite the floor in a nice red colour. I've hammerite the floor, so hopefully that'll be dry for tomorrow, and then I can fiberglass in that hole. Yeah, start to put my wood flooring down. Exciting! So in the pack came the resin, the hardener, the world's smallest brush, tub to mix it in, gloves, and the fiberglass sheets. I cut the sheets to the lengths required, lightly sanded the paint, mixed up the resin, painted the edge of where I wanted to fill, pressed the fiberglass sheets down, and then painted at the edges, working my way in. So I just had to go to Halfords to get another pack of fiberglass mix because the one that I had was not enough. It only allowed me to do one run of it. I at least want to do two. So here we go again. Whoa! All right, so I was gone for 10 minutes to Halfords, and I thought I'll reuse the resin from the first kit, but that is stuck. That is set. This is really good stuff. Oh well, that's for the bin. So the pack that I got from Halfords, I would highly recommend over the one from Amazon. It was much bigger, and it would have done the job the first time round. Link in the description.